Here's how to listen to Audible faster. I don't know what other videos you've watched on this topic. I have not seen any, but I have looked, and some of these are like 8 to 9 minutes long, and I don't understand why or how that is. This is a great feature on Audible for when you're listening to an audiobook and you're worried that you might be going clinically insane because all of a sudden it's like your narrator is reading so damn slow that they can't keep up with you. In this video, I'm going to go over how to listen to an audiobook faster on your phone and your computer in that order, and I have been a dedicated Audible listener for 7 years now, so I'm going to include some thoughts on listening speeds and things I've learned. And oh my gosh, I'm starting to sound like I'm 96 years old talking about things I've learned. Here's how to do it on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the book you're listening to, it'll take up the whole screen. At the bottom left, you should see something that says like 1.0x or 1.5x or some number with an X at the end. It'll say the word speed. Tap on that and you can speed the book up or down by 0.05 times every time you tap the plus or minus on the far left or right. The default is, of course, 1 times. Now, most of the time, personally, I listen to somewhere between 1.6 and 1.8. I find that any slower is just too slow, and if it's too fast, my attention span enters the lost and found. Here's how to do it on your computer. Click on Library at the upper left area of your screen and click Listen Now. Where it says Listen Now, it should be in a little orange box. An audiobooks player should come up in a separate window. Go to that player. On the bottom left, there should be something that says 1.0x or 1.5x or some number with an X, and the words narration speed. Click on this and it'll let you choose any speed in 0.1x intervals. Now, some thoughts on listening speed. Quick thoughts. This is how you can speed up the book's narration, but you can slow down the book narration in the same exact way on both your phone and your computer. You can listen as slow as half speed, also known as 0.5x, or as fast as 3.5 times speed. I've listened to 3, I've listened to 3.5, and I cannot understand why someone would do this on a regular basis, let alone at all. Every now and then I'll get a comment in one of these videos saying that I talk fast. If you think I talk fast, for me to say something like that, I mean, even if you don't believe me, check it out yourself. Try 3 or 3.5 times speed. That is how to listen to Audible faster or slower. For more of a general idea on what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and an overall walkthrough of the app, I did an excellent video earlier this year going over all of this, and I'll link that video in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I will see you then.